if you're having trouble with some of your inputs, what we're going to cover is we're going to cover your antenna input if you're having problems with one particular channel. So, right now, we're tuned to a particular channel here in our local area. If I'm having problems with a specific channel, I need to tune the TV to that specific channel. This information here, if you click on it, what it is it's giving you a brief description of the program that's presently playing. You can also see what program is going to play next. Looking at this information screen, one thing I want to pay attention to is this DTV. There are several different types of broadcasts. DTV is one of them, which will play a part in what we're looking for here in a moment. Now, when I press the settings key, I want to go down to all settings. I want to go to channels. Then I want to go to channel tuning. Once I'm in channel tuning, I want to go to manual tuning, not auto tuning. I need to find the category. It says antenna DTV. This information is what I want to pay attention to. Many people get confused about this number versus this number. This is what we call the real channel, and 31-1 is the virtual channel. So do not get confused over this. Your signal strength and signal quality. Your signal strength needs to be over 80% to be reliable. If it is under 80%, stability of this channel is going to be extremely poor. Poor weather conditions or atmospheric conditions can very much adversely affect your ability to tune this channel. Signal quality will have a lot to do with it as well, but mostly you need to pay attention to signal strength. If this is off, you may need to adjust your antenna or replace your antenna. There are many ways to get advice on what type of antenna you may need, but your antenna needs to be serviced or replaced or realigned.